Hey everyone, it's me, obviously, since I assume you're watching this on my YouTube channel. So I went to Goodwill today, actually, for the first time in a couple of months, because I had, so much stuff in my house, and in my storage space, and in my living room, that I needed to list on eBay and Poshmark, that I just put myself on a freeze as far as buying new inventory. But I'm finally caught up with my death pile, and I started doing reseller mystery boxes on Poshmark, which are super, super fun to make up, and people seem to really like them. And it's been great. I've been packing stuff nonstop since last Friday. I'm not complaining, but that is why my work area is a complete mess, so I apologize for all the piles in the background. But they're all going in mystery boxes, and they're going to be out of my house soon and on their way to all you other resellers, so I am just so excited. And I realize it looks like I'm looking off camera. I'm not. I had to sort of make this improvised tripod to film this video, so I'm just looking at the camera and I'm trying to make sure it doesn't fall until we're done. I also apologize for looking super flushed, because the Goodwill in my town by my house is always a million degrees. It doesn't matter what time of year it is. It doesn't matter what the weather's like. The minute you walk in there, it's like you walk into a sauna, and I just got so warm. I was only in there for about an hour, and I'm just like, I feel like I've just gone on like a 5-mile run. So, sorry for the crazy red face. Sorry for the mess. All right. I'm gonna do a little haul video and show you what I bought, and I'm gonna talk a little bit more about the reseller mystery boxes that I've been selling lately on Poshmark. They are $25 for as close to 5 pounds of clothes, shoes, accessories that I can fit into a large priority mailing box. Right now it's just women's stuff. I'm hoping to maybe expand it to men's stuff in the next couple of months if this continues to go well. There is another YouTuber, Posher reseller, who ordered a box from me, and she gave it a really nice review on her YouTube channel. So if you're interested in seeing what kind of stuff you can expect to get in your box, you can check out her YouTube channel. Her name is Everyday Style, and I believe she's Everyday Style on Poshmark and Instagram as well. I highly recommend following her. Her videos are really fun, and they look much more put together than mine. There's no crazy, there's no crazy piles in the background of her videos, and unfinished walls, and index cards. So yeah. Without further ado, let's get to the haul. So the first thing I found was a Free People, cute little peplum t-shirt. It is their We the Free t-shirt line. It is an extra small, super cute. And obviously the stuff that I'm sending out of my boxes, I'm sure I'm gonna mess up at some point and send out something that has a flaw, because you can't catch every single little thing. But generally everything is clean. There's no holes, no stains. Everything has a brand tag and a size tag, and I try to be really strict about that. And I even have someone else look the stuff over for me before I put it in the box, just because I sometimes miss stuff, and because I'm human. So yeah. I also know I'm gonna get feedback, because this is my first video, both that I'm rambling and that I talk really fast, because I know I do. So sorry, and believe it or not, I am trying to talk slowly. Okay, all right, let's see what the next thing is. Oh yeah, this is one of those bread and butter items that I talked about. This is Loft. It is a little cute, cold shoulder, linen-y nautical striped, I think they call this a ticking stripe, actually. Top, it's a small tag. This looks brand new. It still feels really starchy, like clothes do when you get them from the store. It doesn't look like it's ever been washed. I suspect someone just took the tags off it. Donated it to Goodwill because people do that all the time around here. This is J. Crew. Recent label, black ribbon label is one of the recent ones. Recent season J. Crew. I believe this is from the last couple of years. I think it might be from 2016. I'm not sure. It's like a turtleneck kind of heathered tunic sweater. This is really cute. I might actually keep this and list it because J. Crew stuff like sweaters and jackets does really well for me in my Poshmark shop and my eBay store. So I don't know. It's also really heavy, so I feel like I'm kind of cheating people if I put one really heavy thing in their box and then they get fewer things overall. So I don't know. Sorry, I have to go through like 5 different bags, so you'll bear with me. Oh, this is something I got for myself. It's just a little J. Crew t-shirt. I love t-shirts. I have a humongous collection of t-shirts, so they're kind of my Achilles heel. Yeah, I figured I could get one thing for myself. This is, oh, this is cute. This is a little, can you tell I don't wear very many fancy tops or tank tops or strappy tops? This is a little Banana Republic top. It's got these really cute buckle details in the back. It's got little ribbon straps. This is a medium, and it is, come on, focus, maybe? Okay, yeah, there we go. This is regular Banana Republic. It's not Banana Republic Factory. Stuff like Banana Republic and J. Crew in my boxes is a mix of factory and main label, but I try to put in stuff that's trendy, stuff that's cute, stuff that's made out of good materials like silk or wool, because that generally tends to be the kind of stuff I buy for my Poshmark store. I don't tend to buy a lot of really basic stuff from places like J. Crew and Banana Republic unless it's something super desirable, like some of J. Crew's t-shirts styles people really go crazy for, and they sell really fast. Let's see, I believe both of these things I'm going to show you I bought either for me or for a person IRL, so they're not going to go in boxes. Oh yeah, this is just a velvet Graham & Spencer t-shirt, which is an Anthropology brand, I believe. I think they sell it at Nordstrom too. And some other high-end places. It's a really cute shirt. It's really soft. It's a tiny bit pilled, so I probably wouldn't put it in the box, but I'm totally gonna wear it because I love wearing big t-shirts and leggings, like every other reseller. This is just a LuLaRoe basic heathered shirt. I don't generally, oh, sorry. I'm doing this under my photo light and it keeps reflecting weird off of stuff. Yeah, it's backwards. I don't know. Sorry that the tags aren't focusing. Like I said, first video, cut me a little slack. I don't generally buy LuLaRoe anymore because the quality's not that good, and the resale market had the bottom has fallen out of it because it's gotten so oversaturated. Plus there's all that stuff going on with the lawsuits and the bankruptcy. So yeah. But this is a plain color and it's heathered, and I don't know. I might keep it. I might give it to someone. Yeah, but I am not putting LuLaRoe in the mystery boxes, the bulk boxes. I mean, if you really, really want LuLaRoe in yours, you can send me a message because I do have a couple of pieces knocking around still in my inventory, but generally it's not something that I'm putting in because I don't feel like it's worth your time to list. Oh, this is cute. This is a Banana Republic top, I believe. Yes, it's Banana Republic. It is an extra large. It's this little, I don't know if you can see it, it's not buttoned, but it's this little nautical stripe tank top, button-down tank top. It has a little bit of, looks like maybe some makeup on inside the collar, so I'm definitely going to wash it before I put it in someone's box, and obviously if the marks don't come out, I won't put it in a box, but hopefully they will. see. Oh, this is cute. This is I know I say that about everything. This is a brand that's new to me, but I saw the tag said handmade in Portland, Oregon. It's this Dana Herbert. It's a little velvet, kind of ruched velvet scarf. I looked up the comps on eBay. They look pretty good, probably like $25 to $30 for a new with tag scarf, even like a simple one like this. And my Goodwill charges 99 cents for scarves. So I'm gonna list this on eBay, maybe on Posh, depending on the comps, and we'll see. This is a brand that I really enjoy listing. It's one of those log and look style brands. It's called Babette, and it's got a little red square on the tag. These are just like flowy, pleated, silky pants. They're like an olive green. Babette does really well for me on eBay. It's one of those brands like Flax or Eileen Fisher that is sort of niche, but it's very popular with the people that know it because it's very well made. And it's cute and simple, and it's made in the United States for the most part. Depending on what it's made out of and what you have, you can get like over $100 a piece if you have like jackets, anything that's made of silk. These are just made of rayons, so I don't know. I would say probably like 40 to 50 on eBay. I'm shrugging like I don't know what I'll list them at, but I do. Oh, this is a J. Crew dress. It's just like a really basic little pencil dress. It's cute, little mint. It's like a nice little mint green color, which is actually one of my favorite colors to wear when I'm not flushed and covered in Goodwill grime. I'm probably gonna list this one in my Poshmark closet. I'm gonna keep it in quickly. I will say I've never had a J. Crew dress sit in my closet or my eBay store for more than a month. So I always pick them up when I'm out sourcing if they're reasonably priced. This is a BCBG dress. It is made out of sort of like cotton scuba fabric. It's kind of thick and stretchy. It's got this nice little panel detail on the bodice, little cap sleeves. It would be really good for like the office, like under a blazer, maybe like going out to someplace kind of semi-formal. I find a lot of BCBG. We have an outlet mall not too far away from us, and they used to have a BCBG store, so I still find a ton of it at secondhand places and consignment stores. And it's just one of those really nice bread and butter brands. The stuff's well made. It's always really cute. Holds resale value pretty well. It's not gonna like fetch you hundreds and hundreds of dollars, but you can always get like a solid 30 bucks out of a BCBG dress. And really, that's the name of the game when you're reselling. Those $30 sales really add up. All right, we're on bag number 3 out of 4, so we're getting there. We're almost done. Ooh, I'm excited about this. This is a Free People dress that I snatched off the rolling rack because they were bringing it out. There's a lot of resellers that go to my Goodwill and the other Goodwills around here, and some of them are super vicious and will just literally shove you out of the way. Fortunately, they weren't there today, so I didn't have to get into a shoving match with anyone. Yeah, it's just got the regular Free People tag. It's just a loose tunic dress. It's got this kind of like ribbed, like almost thermal feel to it, and it's got some nice vibrant stripes. Free People is another one that, depending on what you got, I just really love reselling. Like, not everything that Free People makes is created equal. If you've got stuff that's old or just not cute, not gonna do very well, but like the dresses, the pants, like the really like cute elaborate tops, like the nightgowns, the flowy dresses, like always a pickup for me. Love it. This is another one, another Log and Look brand. It's called Cut Loose, and I would say this is more on the basic end of stuff like that. Like it's very solid. It's a very solid seller. Like I said, I try to get a price point of at least 30 bucks for the stuff I sell. 20 at the 20 at the bare minimum, unless I'm trying to get rid of stuff, but like try to get 30. I generally get between 20 and 30 for this. And this is just a cute little tunic-y top. It's kind of dusty pink and gray stripe. It's cotton. It's got little 3/4 sleeves. It's really cute. I'm sure somebody's gonna snap that right up. And we're on the last bag. Oops. Oops. Let's see. This is Banana Republic Factory, actually. This is an extra small petite, so it's probably something else I'm going to keep for my own closet. It's just a really cute honeycomb pattern, and it's really thick and it's in really good shape. The black's not faded at all. It's got a little zipper on the back. It's cute. I don't know. I just really liked it. All right. We're down to the last couple of things here. This is a Banana Republic sweater. It's royal purple. I know the light kind of washes it out and makes it look navy blue, but it's not. It's purple. It's the Banana Republic merino, extra fine merino knit. It's a regular extra small. Regular label Banana Republic. So this will definitely go in someone's box because sweaters are money. Especially this time of year, but all year round, really. And right as I said that I don't buy much H&M or anything, I have a new with tag H&M little sparkly gold cream shell top. It was sale, but it is new with tag. And I usually just take the sale stickers off when I'm selling stuff new with tag if they have sale stickers on them at all. Just because it makes it look a little cleaner, more professional. So I'm going to put this in someone's box as a bread and butter item. And it's really cute. It's really basic. It's just kind of, it would be really good for like a New Year's Eve thing with a skirt, with dress pants, like for the office. It's basic enough that I think it was worth picking up to put in a box. So whoever gets it should let me know. It's because it's got a gold tag. It can be like the golden ticket from Willy Wonka. All right, last thing. It is this adorable ribbed gauzy stripy top, and it is from Sunday in Brooklyn, which is an Anthropologie brand. Yay! I find so much Anthropologie, it's not even funny. So every box that I've sent has had some Anthro in it, as far as I know. Because when we were clearing our inventory, we made one bin entirely of Anthropologie stuff to put in bulk boxes. So that is it. I hope you have enjoyed the haul and me chatting away about bulk boxes and my super, super awkward presence in front of the camera. And thank you for being a little bit forgiving of the gaps where I edited out me rambling about nothing. Once again, I'm just on Instagram under my name, Caitlin Kittredge. My Poshmark store is Up North Threads, and I'm gonna do the point to nothing again, so later I can put the name there. And like I said, if you want to check out a review of the mystery boxes that I have for sale in my Poshmark closet, you can check out Everyday Styles YouTube channel or her Instagram, and she talks about it in both places. And she is, let's do this over here, Everyday Style in both places. All right, this was super fun. I hope you guys had a good time. I'm trying to do more YouTube stuff, so if you liked the video, please subscribe and please hit the like button. And if you didn't like it, no, I'm not going to end on a negative note. If you liked it, please hit the like button. I would greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all soon.